Okay, so here we are, we're on the second part of 5.4. This is the part that's going to be important to you, especially in geometry and in algebra 2. I need to make sure that I've got this in your head pretty solidly here. Now, what we decided was that we understand what the absolute value of x minus h is going to look like if x minus 0 is what's going to happen. Now, you may not remember that quite the way I'm saying it right now, but I'm saying it differently so that you can grab onto it a little bit more clearly. X minus h plus k is our vertex formula. Now, I'm saying g sub x. So bear with me for a moment, all right? Now, I'm not trying to eat up your clock too much here. What I really want to do here is I want to make sure we understand this is what absolute value looks like. And I think from what I've seen on assignments, you're getting it. You're on top of that. Gosh, Mr. Kolesnick, 5.1 and 5.2 were pretty painless. Here's where we're going to complicate it a little bit. You are going to use this formula in the future. I can't imagine you not seeing this for the next 2 years. The entire mathematical world on graphing is using the g sub x model for the vertex formula. This is the vertex. The vertex of this shape is 0, 0. That's the extreme on this particular model. So when we say this, we're saying, okay, it's not moving left or right from 0, 0 from the origin, and it's not going up or down from the origin, because this 8k is essentially going to be our up and down. And I really don't want to say at this point that it's going to be our y-intercept. It looks like it should be our y-intercept, but I want to know that it's the up and down of what's going on. And then the h is going to control left and right. Now, since it says subtract, it's going to do the opposite thing. So if it's subtract a positive, right, it's going to go this way. If it says subtract a negative, it's going to go that way. And that makes sense mathematically when we do our t-squares and make these things happen. Now, if I want to graph g sub x a little differently, and I'm going to pause this so I can write what I need to write on the board. So hang on.